Is your mattress really clean? Hey you! Yes, you! Ever wondered what's lurking in your mattress? Let me introduce you to the cleaning wizard you never knew you needed. The JPHYLL Mattress Vacuum. This bad boy doesn't just vacuum. Oh no, it's got Quintuple Tech magic. That's 5 whole layers of deep cleaning awesomeness wrapped up in one sleek package. First up, 253.7 mir UVC light is like sunlight under your sheets, zapping 99.9% of germs and bacteria. Germaphobes, rejoice. Then, it goes ultrasonic, unleashing high-frequency vibes to shake out dust mites from deep within. Don't worry, mites. Wave goodbye to your tiny kingdom. It gets hot, literally. This vacuum heats up to 60 degrees C to dry out moisture and melt those moldy worries away. No more dust mites throwing moisture parties. Then, a 30,000 RPM Brushroll steps in, karate chopping dirt and debris out of your mattress's soul. Not forgetting 16K per suction. Cue the mic drop because nothing gets left behind. And the cherry on top? A HEPA filter traps 99.97% of those pesky allergens. You won't just see the clean, you'll breathe it. Ready to transform your mattress game forever? Hit up the link in the description and let the JPHYLL mattress vacuum work its magic. Your mattress deserves it.